BrandRoomMates. ColorMulticolor. Item Dimensions LxWxH18 by 5 by 0.01 inches. Surface recommendation wall. Room type: living room, bedroom, newer, home office. Material vinyl. Made in the USA. Comes with one wall decal. Assembled size 38.6 inch wide x 16.3 inch high. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Decals are removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Wall decals made in the USA. Quick and easy to apply, RoomMates Disney Princess Wall Decals are hassle-free, just peel, stick, decorate. To apply, peel from the backing, and stick to any smooth wall or surface. Arrange and rearrange for the perfect display. No tools needed. Use hand to secure into place. To remove, peel from the wall. Disney Princess Peel and Stick Wall Decals by RoomMates are 100% removable and leave zero sticky residues behind. Plus, decorate with confidence knowing that RoomMates Peel and Stick Wall Decals are free of harmful chemicals like phthalate and lead, making them safe to use in your personal space. Top reviews from the United States. Huge. Love this, just what I wanted, easy to install.